Alright, we're going to make worry dolls. By the time we're done, it should look something like that. So for materials, you need one 12-inch pipe cleaner. You can also have two 6 inches, but if you get one 12-inch and then cut it in half, then you have two of the exact same color. Next, you need 6 pieces of yarn, about 6 inches in length. And when you go to the yarn station, I will have a few sample pieces cut so that you can check to make sure you have the right length. Now, 5 of the pieces will be for the hair, and then 1 piece will be to tie the clothes together. So you can have 5 of the same colors. You can mix and match if you want. I am just going with 5 pieces of yellow hair and a different one to tie the cloth together. And then also you need something for the dress. So mine is just this pretty scrap of blue. You just need to be very small. It's going to be roughly 1.5 inches by 3 inches. And again, when you get to the cloth station, I will have some sample pieces there so you can make sure that you're cutting it about the right length. Also, you want to make sure once you have cut your appropriate length, you're going to fold it, not like a hot dog, no hot dog. You're going to fold it that way, and then in the middle here where it makes the fold, you're going to put a very small cut. Because what will happen is this turns into the dress, and so you put the doll's head through that little hole. Okay, so I'll pause here while you guys get your materials. Okay, step 1 is to make the body. So I'm just going to take one of these 6-inch piece of pipe cleaner. Then I am going to make the head. So depending how big you want the head and how little you want the legs, I don't want my head very big. So I'm just going to cross it. Right? So all I do is cross it over, and then I twist the legs. There we go. I have a head and I have 2 legs. So one more time. So it's my pipe cleaner. I just cross it over to make the head, and then I twist the legs like that. So now I need to make my arms. So I take the other piece of pipe cleaner, fold it over. And then all I do is, right around where arms would be, I put it there. I fold it over on itself. Okay. So there you go. You've got a little person. Let me pause here, make sure we're all at the same place. Okay, the next step involves the hair. So I'm going to take my hair and fold it in half, leaving a little loop at the top. So see, it's just folded in half. I'm going to take the loop and just stick it in the doll's head, and then take the 2 pieces, stick it through the loop, and pull. Oops, kind of let go there. There you go. 1 piece of hair. So let me do it to the other 4. You can keep watching, or you can go ahead and start putting hair on your worry doll. So again, just put it like that. Stick the 2 ends through and pull. There we go. Hair number 3. Pull the ends through. I want to make it get kind of close to the others, so it's going to look like hair. And I've got 2 more. So again, fold it in half, take the loop, stick it through the doll's head, there we go, and 1 more, just to make the doll's head even, I'm going to put it on this other side. And I'll loop it through. There we go. So now my worry doll has hair, as you can see. Okay, so now, a little closer together. Here we go. Now I want to put some clothes on her. So I take my piece of fabric and I cut that little hole in the middle. I'm going to put her head through here, pull her hair through. There we go. There you go. Now she's got a serape. See? Now I'm going to take my other piece of string, the 6th one, kind of get it even there. You can just tie it regular. I'm going to actually loop it around because it's kind of a lot of thread. So loop it around. I'm just going to tie it in the back. Go. So now you have your very own worry doll. So when you go home tonight, if you're worried about anything, passing your finals, doing okay as a freshman next year, which I know you guys will be great, you can tell it to your worry doll, put it under your pillow, and your worry doll will take care of it. Take care of it for you. Just worry about it for you so that you can get a good night's sleep. And in the morning, there won't be anything to worry about. Everything will look better. All right. Adios.